Hi everyone, this is Arissa. We have a lot to go through today and it is unboxing day with all the launches from Apple's Fall 2025 keynote. So we've got the AirPods Pro 3, the Watch Series 11, iPhone 17, iPhone Air, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's start off with the AirPods Pro 3. It's been a while since we saw the last version of the AirPods Pro. Like for me, my problem is usually when it's too big, so I need a smaller one. They have actually made an even smaller one called XXS. Previously only goes down to extra small, so now there's extra small. So for those with like really tiny ears, maybe even children, they'll probably find this new one very helpful. So this is how, well, I'm gonna go with the extra small because this is actually my fit. So what you do is just pull it out and then it will just snap back in. Same with the other side. So yeah, this actually fits me perfectly. I'm just gonna put them, oops, wrong side. Just gonna put them back in. We've got some paperwork. No more stickers, which makes me really sad. So this is the AirPods Pro 3. Let's do the Apple Watch next. This is the Apple Watch Series 11. So let's unbox. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, but the printing is gorgeous. This is one of the new watch faces which they feature. So it makes use of the gyroscope in the watch. So there's a little blob over here, actually moves around when you move your wrist as well. So let's unbox this. It's really gorgeous. The color is just beautiful. And it says Watch Series 11 aluminum at the back. Fix the strap on. I look silly with two watches, but I'm just gonna put this on quickly to show you what it looks like. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So this is the iPhone 17 series that we are getting this year. So we've got the iPhone 17, the iPhone Air, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max over here. So this one is in space gray, black, and new orange color. This is like the brightest Pro and Pro Max series ever. They're usually in very muted colors. So let's start with the iPhone 17. So this is the iPhone 17 in space gray. Double camera array. So we've got the cable, USB-C, the SIM tray pin, and these are all USB-C. We don't even have any paperwork anymore. Yeah, absolutely no paperwork. So this is the iPhone 17. Next up, the iPhone Air. So this one is in black, and it is also the 1 terabyte version. Let's open it up. Can you see how thin it is? So this is the one with the titanium edge. One camera away, so beautiful. And then inside, same thing. USB-C, no paperwork as well. But one thing to note, it does not have the SIM tray pin because the iPhone Air is eSIM only, and all the iPhones in the US are all eSIM only since the last version. But worldwide, there is still the SIM tray for all of the phones. But now that we are in the iPhone 17 era, the iPhone Air actually has no SIM tray at all. So all iPhone Air are eSIM only. Pro Max. Now for this version, there is no real difference between the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max specs wise, but obviously you get the increase in screen size and the battery life. It's really the little details. I'm not sure if you've noticed that with every single iPhone there is, even the covering for the iPhone, all these are printed in matching colors with the iPhone. Like in this case, it's an orange for all these. Not really a fan of bright colors, but this color is very stunning. Apple changes color ranges for their Pro series, and you look at this and immediately you know that it is the most current version of the iPhone. This is the Pro Max. It comes with the cable. Again, USB-C to USB-C. We still have the SIM tray pin because we still have a SIM card tray for this one. Let's do a little comparison. So we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the iPhone Air, and finally the iPhone 17. So you can see over here, size-wise, 17 is just ever so slightly smaller with the screen at 6.3 inches. This is 6.5 inches. I can't remember this one. I think it's 6.9 inches. And then we look at the front. We compare how thin everything is. Let's just do a comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air, it looks like it's almost twice of the width of the iPhone Air. It is so thin. It is ridiculously thin. And I'd like to point out that both of them are using the same A19 Pro chip. So you're getting a lot of performance in such a thin phone as well. So let me swap out the 17 Pro Max and put in the 17. You can see it's still a significant difference in the width. It is just so ridiculously thin. It is a titanium shine finish with ceramic shield at the back, so it is very strong. So this is the iPhone Air. Additionally, I've got the iPhone Air battery. So this is designed specifically for the iPhone Air. So this fits, it makes it a little bit more than twice the width. But if you are curious about whether the new MagSafe fits on the rest, the answer is no, because it is built specifically for the iPhone Air. So it will not fit. It somewhat fits the Pro Max. So if you are going to buy a portable battery for your iPhone Air, this is a yes. So these are all the launches at this year's Fall 2025 event. Pre-orders for the iPhone is already open and will officially launch on Friday, 19th of September. Thank you for joining me until the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!